Hey, welcome back to Everyday Tacoma. Today we're going to do something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I put a bed step on my Toyota Tacoma, and back when I got it, it was one of the first mods I did and I loved it. And I've been wanting to do a comparison against my 2013 Ford F-150, which has got a bed step on it. And I'm going to demonstrate the difference between the two. Right now they're both folded up. This tailgate comes up to this point on me right here. The tailgate on the 2013 F-150 is almost exactly the same height. And I am going to sit there and talk a little bit about trying to get into the two trucks. So if I try to get up on this thing without a bed step, it's an effort. Now I have to get down. To get into the F-150, there's a part here that pulls out. You got to pull it out, which is not that easy. And it comes down. Then optionally there's the bed step set up. So now when I go to get in, I can step right up into it. Okay? A lot of effort to do that, to be honest with you, pulling it out and all that. So the next step, so here, this is how I get out of it, which is easier than jumping out. But that's the F-150 bed step. Now I'm going to go over to the Tacoma. The Tacoma, with the tailgate down, I walk up here, stick my foot right here, step on it, and get in. Easy peasy. One of the best mods I ever put on this truck, and a lot easier than trying to pull the bed step out on that F-150. Put old fart in the comments section, or put smart mod in the comment section to vote for whichever way you would like to go. Let me know. Hey guys, I'm going to give you an up close on this bed step. So I'm standing next to it. I'm going to put my foot up here on it, push it down, and that's what it looks like up close. I'm about to climb underneath and give you an even closer look. I'm going to get you in here close and take some of that glare away maybe. Okay, that's it from underneath. So that's how it actuates. So you get a view from underneath. Okay, there's a bracket here that all this is mounted to, and that bracket is held on by 1, 2, and there's a third bolt behind her where you can't see it right now, but there's 3 bolts that hold it. And then on top there's a cover that's held on by 3 bolts, and you assemble that before you put the bed step on. But that's all there is to it. A couple of these bolts are a little bit tight to get to, but in general, it's pretty simple. The pad itself, which is this part here, it's plastic and it's pretty durable. I haven't had a problem with it, and this is maybe 5-6 months that I've had this thing on here. This is actually held on with some screws and pretty easy to put on, but it comes unassembled like that, and that's how it all comes to you. So it's pretty darn simple, and I'll actuate this thing back up so you can see it going back into place. So tell me guys, which do you like best? Do you like the Tacoma style bed step, or do you like the one that was on the F-150? Here at Everyday Tacoma, we also do metal art. I can put your Tacoma or your F-150 or your Subaru Wilderness or vacation photos, all that stuff, on aluminum panels with high gloss gallery quality prints. Go to customaddresssign.com and you can look at what we do. And coming up soon, I'm going to actually do a video on how I produce these metal art pieces. So until next time, thanks guys.